Hello everyone, how's it going? Bit of an engine update for you guys. So, I've decided I want more power. So what I've done, got another block. I got some forged pistons, got some forged rods. Currently, I'm gapping the piston rings. Gonna get this engine built. Got another B series here. This is gonna be mine. Yeah, I'm hoping for 500 brake. Bloody hell. The astute among you will notice that this engine hasn't been block guarded. It's been freshly bored, so it's had a 1/2 mil overbore, 81.5. But yeah, it hasn't been block guarded. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to build that one up just for tits and pickles. And I've got another engine. This is all standard. It's actually a B18C, not even a C4 or anything, just a B18C. Standard bore, standard everything, just obviously minus the head. So my plan is send that off to be machined at CPL Racing. They can build you a 500 brake short block, so they'll overbore it, block guard it, forge rods, forge pistons, build it all back up and send it back to me, and then I can just put a head on it. So yeah, I'm building this one just for a bit of an experience. I'll use it for a little while. I'll probably turn the boost down just so, you know, I'm not going to blow it up intentionally or anything like that, but build that up, slap it in the Mini and go from there really. God, it's going to be good fun. So let's get this engine built. Cheers. So pistons and rods are built up. So I've got 9.8 to 1 compression forged pistons and Eagle forged rods. Those gudgeon pins are a real tricky so-and-so to get in. One of them actually pinged off and flew across the workshop. I managed to find it, but gosh, I'm glad that's done. Let's get them chucked in there.